was this at?
I was like at 7 in Gratiot, which is just a nightmare. And she's doing a story on.
Oh, is that the one that goes and says, you know, I think you're full of it.
She catches scrappers a lot. That kind of thing.
Oh yeah. So you saw her, huh? She's not a bad-looking girl. I mean, on
Yeah, her
TV.
card. She said I need to teach her. She just got a new camera. She goes, I need to grab my photograph.
Yeah. All you need to do is your wife see you.
Yeah.
Doing more than taking pictures. But baby, it's for the news.
It's all for the freedom of the press. Like, no! Damn it! It's like I saw that a mile away.
Oh, he had me. And he did the right.
There it is.
Yeah, there it is. That's what I need. Yeah, that's fine. There it is.
Ooh.
4 minutes.
You trying that nasty
He
boy.
just set some guy right up for a nice little slide.
He's got me thinking about Ronnie Doll now. I'm in trouble.
Oh, she.
Oh, what the fuck?
Yeah. Keep talking about Ronnie. I like this.
I like Ronnie, yeah.
Oh my God, what am I?
What the fuck?
Ah!
He had my number until Ronnie came on.
No! That was not pretty. Oh, man. Well, that's going to cap it
3
off
minutes.
for a sterling start for the season.
Oh,
Ah! Dang! I was going to just pump it in and say, heck with this. I was just going to slam it in.
that's my man.
Ah!
Oh,
Well, so that goaltending, I'll admit that. Yeah, I was like, oops.
Oh, fuck.
Ooh.
man, that's two right in a row.
I know, usually those are money in the bank.
2 minutes.
Oh, I've been sweet, but nope. No.
Oh my God, we.
Man, working.
Like,
Ah, moving the wrong way. Oh, shit. Now I got to really fight.
that you?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, we're almost done.
Yeah, you have to wait.
1 minute.
Yeah, we're on a minute.
That was a gift.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, now it's getting really ugly now. Now it's getting really personal now. Yeah.
Oh.
20 seconds. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Good.
Well,
Oh, wait a minute.
what?
No, not really sorry.
No, really. Yeah, really.
Uh,